Hello, meet Cameo. So Cameo is a compliant private payout platform. So it enables you to privately pay anyone by their email or social handle without revealing their wallet to each other. So why do we need private like payouts? So let's assume, like you can see, this is a big problem in crypto. So you pay someone for the work they render to you, then after some minutes or some moments they message you, like they get back to you after them they must have, like, checked your on-chain footprint, and then they are telling you your wallet balance and everything. So traditionally, crypto is designed, like, to be transparent, but this transparency can also mean that all your, like, financial status is on chain. Anybody can see your, like, on chain footprint, which is a privacy intrusion. So that's the problem we are solving. So how we solve this is that, like, we enable, like, hosts to pay people, like, through their email, so they don't, like, actually need the recipient email. So, like, both, like, the host and recipient link is, like, broken, and we do that using this privacy stack. So first of all, we're using privacy cache. So this privacy cache, it breaks, like, on-chain links between funding campaigns and claims. So it is used for private value transfer. And then we also use Inco Lightning. So this Inco Lightning, like, keeps this proof voting and analytics encrypted on chain. So your campaign analytics for payouts are encrypted. Even us as a server don't have access to it. We just, like, grant access to you, and then you decrypt on client side. And then we use Aztec to prove eligibility without, like, exposing voter identities. So a voter, like, is just, like, when an escrow, which is also a type of payout in our platform, like, exceeds the allowed like, eligibility timeline or deadline, then we activate the dispute and flow. And to ensure that we are compliant, we are using range to ensure that, like, people that want to claim cash, their wallet gets screened before they can, like, before their claims can be, like, processed. So that's basically it. Let's get started. So yeah. Okay, so let's sign in. Okay, so we are already in. So let's try creating a campaign. Okay, so this campaign, I will name it Solana privacy, Solana privacy, payout. Okay, and then I will just, like, copy the same thing and put in the description. Then you can see, like I said, we have instant payout and then escrow. So this escrow is particularly useful if you want to, like, lock funds and then add participants, and then we don't know the people that are going to, like, be eligible for it. So this is, like, very good for things like hackathons or bounties, where people participating but you don't know the outcome of the event. But, like, for this demo, we are going to use this payout. And then for the auth method, this auth method is just, like, how the claimant is going to verify before they can, like, claim. So for the amount, I will just use 0.001 for the amount. Then mass claim, I'll just put it as 1. So this is only valid for one person. Then as for the date, I will just choose, like, tomorrow as the day, and then maybe go with this, like, thing that's up here, like the 10:20 as the time. So for the recipients, I will use my email. Okay. Okay, so that's my email. Okay, let me go to the next step. So in the next step, we are going to, like, customize the campaign page. So this is the customization. Okay, so let me just click on go. I'm okay with, like, the theme colors. Okay, why this is, like, creating, let me open up my wallet. Okay, very good. You can see, we have to, like, fund 0.015 so into privacy cache. So let's connect wallet. Okay, wallet is connected, and then let me deposit to privacy cache so that I can like depositing to this privacy cache actually breaks the link. So we don't, like, we as the platform don't know the creator, because this privacy cache deposit is done on the client side, so we don't know who deposited. So that's it. We deposit to privacy cache, then withdraw to campaign wallet. From campaign wallet, we, like, withdraw to campaign privacy cache before claims can be, like, privately claimed. Okay, so we can view this on source scanner, on source scan. So you can see this is successful. We interacted with Transact on privacy cache program. So yeah, now we can withdraw to campaign wallet. We withdraw from privacy cache to campaign wallet. So let me process the withdrawal. Okay, this has been withdrawn. So now we are refreshing. You can still view the transaction on, like, source scan to see that everything is going well. So it has been created. You can see. So that's how it works. Let me close it up. Now let's wait for the funding to complete. Once the funding is complete, we will see, like, a balance here, and then we should see the campaign link here, which can be used to process the claim. Okay, so this is still refreshing. This is still refreshing. This claim link is what you are going to send to the person that is supposed to, like, claim this in this payout. So it can be many people depending on the number of people you add to that eligible recipient. So yeah, let's wait for the process to complete. It will take time, but that's how it works. Okay, you can see funding is complete. Our wallet now has a balance. You can see the balance is here. Okay, so let's copy this, or let's copy this. Let's open it up. So you can see Solana privacy payout. So let me just enter that address, and that address I put at claim time, so at gmail.com. Okay, okay, I should check my email. Let me check my email. Let me check my email. Okay, let's go to promotion. Okay, so you can see claim 0.01. So you can see the email. The email is actually sent through resend. So let me show it up. So you can see this is opened less than a minute ago. Okay, so let me click on claim. Okay, so I've clicked on claim. So you can see eligibility verified. So I'm eligible to claim. So I can now, like, get my Solana wallet address. I can now paste it and claim. So this claim is actually processed from that privacy cache, like, campaign wallet. So, like, this is not like, visible on chain. So the link is broken. That's basically how it works. So thank you. Let's wait for the claim to complete so that we can view it on recent source scan. So yeah, I think I'm already up. Like, time is up. But yeah, that's basically how it works. Just wait for it to finish. Okay. Yeah, claim submitted. So you can see we can now view it. So that's basically how it works. Thank you, and thanks to the sponsors of the event. So yeah, let's go back. You can see if you refresh this, you can see that it has been claimed. You can see one of one claim. Let me open. Okay, you can see one of one claimed. so no claim can be like processed again for this campaign. Thank you.